Here I have UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Okay, let's start with the first one, which is the device administrators. Let's go to settings and now choose security. Now we need to find the device administrators. We can tap on it, and here we have some useful features like Google Pay and some antivirus. We can also find our devices. Okay, let's go back and let's go to the next one, which is anti-theft option. Here we have our anti-theft. Okay, we need to connect to the internet. And now here we are in the anti-theft menu. Okay, we can, for example, make an account, add some trusted and alternative number, update location, verify password when the device is shut down. We can also automatically connect to the internet after restart and enable auto synchronization. Let's go back and let's go to the next one, which are the captions. Okay, let's go to the accessibility right there, and now here we have our captions. We can check it on, and now when we're watching, for example, some movies or some photos, here we can have our captions. We can change language, text size or caption style. Let's go back and let's go to the next one, which is the color inversion. We can stay in accessibility and now find the color inversion. Okay, it's down below. We can check it on, and as you can see, all the colors has been inverted. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is schedule power on and off. Let's tap on it, and here we have set on which hour our phone will power on and on which hour our device will turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.